In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails to a folder in Gmail. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is move my mouse up to the search bar at the top of the page. On the right side of the search bar, I see the search filter icon. I click on that icon and a filter options window appears where I can set the conditions for the emails I want Gmail to organize automatically. Inside this filter window, I start entering the filter criteria. For example, I can type the sender's email address, a subject line, or other details that help Gmail identify the emails I want to sort. Once the criteria is entered, I move down and click on Create Filter. Gmail now shows a list of actions that can be applied to emails that match this filter. From the list of options, I look for the one that says apply the label and check that option. Then I choose the label that I want Gmail to use as the folder for those emails. If I already have a label created, I can simply select it from the list. If not, I can click New Label and create a new one right from this window. After selecting the label, the filter is ready. From now on, any emails that match the filter criteria will automatically be organized using that label. And that's it. I opened Gmail, clicked the search filter icon, entered the filter criteria, clicked create filter, selected apply the label, chose the label I wanted, and Gmail will now automatically sort future emails into that label.